Srishti Mishra from Ryan Global School. My question is to Mr. Pallav. In a competitive IT industry, what does success mean to you and your company, and what has enabled it to stay on top of all the other competition?
So, first of all, there is no clear definition of success. Means different things to different people even within our company. So when I started in 2002. We were making software products. At that time, India was not particularly known for software products. So when we were making these products and trying to sell to our clients across the globe, they were not able to trust us for that. And one of the bigger challenges which I had, or one of the bigger aims which I made in my life is, let's make India's name for software products, so that clients across the world, the multinationals across the world, the US government, including Barack Obama, could trust a software made in India which could be used across their large enterprises. So that to me was a huge success story, and that is something which we have been trying to drive throughout our company, that if sitting in India we can make a product and deliver to clients across the world, that's a very big achievement for us.
Thank you.
If I can just build on Pallav, success is not in the journey. It's never a destination. It's a journey in progress.